What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube. And if this is your first time, please consider subscribing. So the thing to do in history past and today in the beauty community is to sign up for a bunch of beauty subscription boxes. Beauty subscription boxes are boxes that include all types of makeup and skincare, perfumes, anything that really has to do with beauty, and it all comes in a box delivered to your front door, usually monthly, and you can use these supplies in your beauty routine. These boxes can run anywhere from $10 to $50 that I've seen, some even more if they have luxury items in them. But some of the boxes that run between $10 and $50 have some luxury products in them. And these are all either full size or sample size product. I think the higher you pay on the box, the fuller the size. Some of them are even deluxe size, which is like a size in between sample and full size. So I looked into it. However, I didn't want to spend that money per month just yet, so I looked at some free options, and the first option that I came up with was Walmart. Walmart has a beauty box that you can order, and it is free. All you have to do is pay the shipping on it. So I got one. It came in the mail today, and so I'm going to unveil it right here on my YouTube channel. So this is the box, and it says Nivea on the back. And so I'm not quite sure if that means that all the products in the box are all Nivea, but we shall see. Clearly I have to turn it around so that all the products don't fall out of it. And here we are. So inside of the box it says, embrace your beauty. This season, show off your fabulous self. And if you want information on the beauty box, it's beautybox.walmart.com. A lot of the manufacturers on beauty boxes like you to Instagram a picture of yourself using the beauty box or unveiling the beauty box, and this is hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And there is some Nivea wrapping paper inside, and we are going to see what they have. So there's all kinds of products in here, and then there's also brochures that tell you, guess what each product is. So first they include a Walmart Beauty brochure that says embrace your beauty, and you can rate and review these products at walmart.com. And these are their fall products. So I think this box is either seasonal or not. I could be wrong, but it also says that you can enter to win a $100 gift card if you take a survey. First product that jumps out is, don't quote me on these names, guys. I don't really know how to pronounce them all, but one is all-in-one. I don't know if that's Biore or Biore. It's a charcoal cleansing micellar water. Looks like it removes makeup and deep cleans pores and refreshes. It says no need to rinse and it's oil free. Let's see how it smells. Not strong at all. I actually don't see a brochure for that one, but it's pretty self-explanatory if you read the directions. So the next thing that I see is a Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. So this is actually the first makeup product that I see in the box. And the brochure on this one says that this is their most precise liner for intense eye impact. It's all day wear, waterproof formula, ultra precise liquid liner, and it's got an easy control grip. It's very precise. Look forward to trying that. The next thing that I see is Maybelline Great Lash in Very Black. Brochure says this is Great Lash, forever a fan favorite. One tube sold every 2 seconds. They sell 40,000 tubes per day, and this has coated 4.5 million lashes a day. Cool thing about this is it conditions as it thickens. There's no clumps or no globs. And I've actually seen a lot of reviews on this and heard a lot of really great things, so I'm excited to try it. Okay, I think those are it for the makeup products. We're starting to get into the skin and body care. First thing I see is a black charcoal bubble sheet mask. It says it detoxifies, oxygenates, and it gives you radiance. Oxygenating mask for dull and tired skin. A carbonated sheet mask that contains purifying black charcoal and a special blend of fruit extracts for brighter, radiant, and silky smooth skin. Guys, I really love masks. I've never tried a sheet mask before, so I'm really excited to try this product. Next up, they also have, looks like a Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. this is obviously a sample. Brochure says to refresh and replenish your skin with the latest from Cetaphil hydrating eye gel cream, and they also have gentle cleansing bars, but the bar is not included with this box. It's just the sample size of the Cetaphil hydrating eye gel cream. It's the #1 dermatologist recommended facial skincare brand. Never tried an eye cream. This will be my first time. I'm actually going to be doing my facial care routine here pretty soon, so look out for that one. They also have a new 48-hour deep nourishing moisture body lotion with aloe vera. Sample size by Nivea. It says keep your skin nourished for even longer. Discover deeply nourished skin that lasts. Finally, there's a way to keep your skin moisturized longer. Now Nivea body lotions with 48-hour deep nourishing moisture are here to give your skin the nourishment it needs. Try new Nivea aloe vera body lotion for instantly refreshed and hydrated skin. This formula provides deep nourishing moisture within the skin surface. So the lotion is supposed to last 48 hours? Is that only if you don't take a shower or bath? Does it stay on through your shower or bath? We'll see. Next thing that I see is Garnier Whole Blends Wholesome Loving Care blended for naturally beautiful hair. It's a new oat delicacy, and these are samples: shampoo and conditioner, protein-rich oat milk and soothing rice cream blends to form a delicate lather that coats hair in lightweight hydration. Hair is supple and softened with weightless moisture. It's paraben-free. It's with oat milk and rice cream extracts. I've heard a lot lately about rice having really good effects on the hair, so I'm kind of anxious to try this. Next thing that I see is called Hello. It's a fluoride-free whitening toothpaste, activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Have y'all seen those commercials where the girl is like brushing her teeth with like this black paste on like Instagram and Facebook? I think that's what this is. I'm so excited to try it. Let's see if it's black. Really on there. Oh, it's black. So excited to try this. The brochure says that this is new at Walmart and it's black, white, and friendly all over. Say hello to activated charcoal fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. Activated charcoal made from sustainable bamboo is a natural whitener and detoxifier that removes surface stains and freshens breath. A friendly word of advice: black paste can be messy, so spit responsibly. Hello is also vegan, made in the US, free from artificial sweeteners, sulfates, flavors, dyes, microbeads, triclosan, gluten, saccharin, and peroxide. Now that's pretty coal. Spelled like coal, C-O-A-L, pun intended. And it's cruelty-free, never tested on animals. Fall black in love with oral care. And you can also enter to win a year's supply of Hello if you post and tag us in your Bright Smile selfie. And so that's the end of the box. So this is pretty cool. I mean, this is a free box. All you have to do is pay shipping, and you get cool little sample sizes or deluxe sizes of products, or even full sizes that you can use. And I'm actually looking forward to joining more subscription box offers. So stay tuned on more unveilings and unboxings. So that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.